Hey, 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 hey. Hi, everyone who even. It's like 2 minutes anyway. No one will show up, but it's like. Not the. Why? Anyway, I should have started later. But who cares? Like, no one watches. Anyway, like, let me. Please, Twitch, let me open my chat on my phone. On my phone. But you're playing on your phone. No, I'm not playing on my phone. Look at. Hey. So Twitch, like, it died again. So we're gonna play another track before I start it up. Let's change. Setting up this stream connection was a joke. Like, no one will. No one cares anyway. Where is the chat? Yeah. So finally, I've got the chat. Now we can start officially. And there's like interesting thing right now. You probably didn't know. Yeah, first is like, okay, chat is here. And I'm here also. Look at this. Yeah, not at this. At this. Oh my god, is that the... So yeah, like... Oh! I'm scared now. Why? Why does it... Okay. I'm here. Look at me. Look at this. Look at him. Just landed on the moon. Okay, does work. I have the... So what's the problem? Like you say, like the problem is no problem. Like, let's... that's the same track. I'm sorry. This is even worse. Yeah, like this. Okay. So what I was doing is I was playing with midi. Yeah. So let me make a music quieter. So okay. So what do we have? Okay. The midi test. So why it's music is of course. Never change this sound. Change this one instead. Yeah, like this. Okay. Okay. So I'm doing like my library, but that's not this, like, focus on not on this. First it's broken right now because I changed it a bit, but we should have... No, it shouldn't have, because it's interesting build system. Oh yeah. It's interesting build system. Or building blocks and stuff. Okay. Again, what's the problem? What's your problem? Alloc undefined formal parameter. Нет, syntax error 96. Before identifier. It's right here. Dude, what? Let's try it again. I know why, because it's like midi message is not defined. Anyway, I need to lift it up. Okay, so give me a second. I need to set up this stuff because I broke everything and forget everything. Hi everybody, if you have any No one is here anyway. Like, That's the problem with this program. It starts spinning some music again. You'll hear another one and then I'll figure something out. Okay, I'll set up this back. Okay, midi in, midi out, IO, so-called IO. Okay, another type def. That's okay. Media, media. Okay, I will do handler a bit lower than this. What is this handler anyway? Control. That's control. I need to get it like. Wait. Yeah, I need it right here. Okay. So, control handler is on place. MIDI message. Let's try to build this. Do you hear the music? I hear it. Minus 40 decibels. Okay, so it does work. I hit Ctrl C, then N because I need it. So there is like program to open the MIDI in the use your gamepad as MIDI controller. So like one click, second click, but these buttons I didn't set up. But I have control change, control signals. This is really dumb because you can just like control joystick with X input, but still it's interesting stuff because then I can test it. It's MIDI out. I can send MIDI out to another channel and then receive it from Ableton or any other thing. Yeah, so I need to enable this stuff like full screen. Okay, hi again. So there is like this program configure. I need to change name. I can delete this one. Okay, so port 1, let's add port 1, port 2. Yeah, let's delete them all and name it like this: port in into Ableton. Into do. Okay, so why? Because I had like, let me open this program. I need to set up it again. This loop MIDI, free stuff. Okay, this. So it's like if it loads, that's the first problem we have, because it's like very slow. I need like to wait a bit after it loads. Okay, MIDI out query, MIDI out. What I did and what I didn't, like there. So we don't open the device right now. So okay, I need to set up the audio settings, media settings, to be sure. So port out of DAW, it's this port into do. Okay. Now I can like send stuff from MIDI and receive on this side. instead of writing kernel driver. I don't need this stuff. But like, here we go. Like, when it's sent like, wait, what's the name of this? Control value, control change 123. So it's like stop all nodes from playing. That's why. So now what I need to do is like, it would be probably better if I introduce to the code base. Let me just change this stuff a bit. So it's just simple, like int main loop, that it's like, it was like this. So like first I tested the MIDI input, I mean output from MIDI device. It's like you open the device, check what, open it, send signals and exit it. That was the context. So this stuff. Now I need to do this again. So I need to change it into some functions so I can call them, and it will be API. So this is our current target. I would say let's return false because I want it. So let's MIDI out. I think instead of doing this stuff, I'll just do it like this, and MIDI out handle, I will return the pointer. I think, because I want like to, it's not really current problem. Like I want to use Linux for this also, because it's like open stuff, not open, like, because Windows would be not here anymore soon, at least on paper. So we need to check. Like first I will do this there, and then we will read how to do it in another place. Okay, so MIDI output create, we're creating output device. So what I want to do is also later MIDI out handle, so like MIDI output create by name. So it's like we'll get the string, and that's an allocator probably. But what I think I need, no, I don't. Anyway, so what we do there is easy. No, not easy. It's the same stuff like in MIDI output create. So it basically calls it, but it's device. So like we have like already this stuff I did. So it's like queries the MIDI devices we have. So we just like send it like allocator, maybe temporary allocator here. So I just like allocator talk, and then we do talk equals, let me remember, alloc temp get. Now I just send it talk, and then we return the list of the devices. Then we just like iterate over devices and compare strings. Not really, and compute Levenstein distance, how it's called, Levenstein. Let's just Google it. Levenstein, yeah, okay, so like this. How do I insert in this fucking program? Paste Levenstein and compute Levenstein distance. Okay, so it's alright, and then we'll do this output create. Right now it just returns null for now. Okay, let's change the track because it will just start. That's not really for this. Oh, actually, I do work. Okay, so I have a face right now. Anyway, do you have anything in there? Oh, we can. I know. There's somewhere. Let me open this stuff. So like I have some sounds sampled like half of gigabyte. Let me find it like .wav files. Yeah, right now some depressing sounds play. How did I call it? I don't remember. Oh no, oh no, oh no! C min drone. So it's like C minor drone. Yeah, I see it. PB glitch. So it's like ambient for background. Nice. Okay. Okay. That's enough for today. So we have device, we have allocator, so we just check the device ID and create it because it's that easy in this thing. So like WinMM, it's like old, but it works. So let's media output test. I have get num device. Let's just for test int devices count instead of devices, because why not? So if count is less or equals a device ID. What is it, index or ID? I don't remember. ID. It will be better if it was. Let's do device index. Index will be better 10 times than ID, because it's not ID at all. Index. Let's check if I even used it somewhere, because I was at least pasting some stuff to check if it. Okay, so there we go. Index, okay. My head is okay. So media I'll just clear this stuff. Media output, create, okay, device index. Then we do assert basically, because it shouldn't be. But in normal system it will be better to do something like, actually think about this. Maybe I need to introduce like assert will get into the like void, it will cast into void probably on like assert. I have assert in here. Okay, define at assert fprintf assert at as the field file line. Okay, it's okay. So what I need to do is cast this thing. No, like it's already if inside, but what if I need assert or fail, like something like this? I don't know. Let's not do this. Assert is enough, or I'll just at least if. Yeah, it's just probably error. We need like some type of error, but right now I don't know. Because it's possible error. So to do handle this error instead of I handle this error instead of inserting because it this is OS part that could fail. So okay, this stuff is we just did the line of code. Oh my god. Let's next. So we get the numbers of device and then we do what? We do midi out open. We try to open it. So result midi out. Okay, midi out open. And we need this device. So what I need to do is allocate it. Alloc in memory. Something like this size of result. That's not result. Okay. That's what we need midi out handle. Also I need to check if my PC doesn't crash. Let me check. It doesn't. That's nice. But my GPU is 40%. Interesting. Did I set up the like rendering through the GPU? I don't know. No, it's not. Why it's spinning this fast? Okay. It should work like this. I'll just another second. Okay. Let's no, it should not work. Let's do this handle, and then we do device ID index, and then dword. I'm thinking still about this dword pointer. Null dword pointer null. So what I'm thinking about is if we do it like callback, so then we can do stuff like polling of the input. So we just save the stuff we got and then just get it from there. But if I do this, then we have another problem because I don't have any primitives for trading right now. So I need to create them all. We will do it to do make it. Like callbacks. It's not threaded, but it's callback is different thread, so we just need to process it. Like no, the errors I can just copy them from there, as we use as is. Let me just some of this stuff. Okay. Break. Okay. No MIDI port was found. No MIDI port. I will MIDI out create. No MIDI port was found. Same stuff there. Resource is already allocated. MIDI device was not found. Oh, I actually have an idea. Because we did this assert, we don't really need it. And we don't really need device count, because it could fail, but it will fail there. So it's like not a big problem. We just return null. But before we return null, we do memory free handle and a lock. Simple as that. So media output create again, but device ID invalid parameter pointer or structure is not valid. It's not really our problem right now because handle is valid. Oh, actually could not be if handle equals null. Probably need to return null also and throw an error, like not a throw, just like I have logging, but I just didn't log right. I don't know which one is better for this case. I need to set up all the console stuff on Windows and Linux, but it's hard. I mean, not hard, but just I don't want to do it right now. Scene log error. Also, we need to do the wrapping. Actually, I think it's okay to write C string there. Why not? Let's just replace this stuff. Yink. Memory error. This one should be asserted false, because shouldn't be an error. But device ID, it could be an error, but this not. Supplied by device ID supplied. Okay. Memory error when opening MIDI channel. MIDI output channel. I guess I watch my own streams, of course. Hello everybody. So this is all errors this function can give us. So at the end of this, we can just like return the handle, basically. But it would be better if we had a structure that it's like has the handle inside, that we will do a void pointer, and that's it. So we can just return it. So okay. Actually, I need to cast the handle to this type, hmidi out. If it's even, it will work, but still, I actually can do LP in this case. hmidi out. Let's. It should work. Equals null, return null. I will do the memory error. Create memory error while trying to allocate space for handle. Okay, I think it's okay. MIDI output, and then we just do MIDI output destroy. I don't know if it will have some errors. It has some like interesting stuff, like it could just like MIDI is still playing, so you need like probably to let me just find some MIDI clause. MIDI, it's MIDI in, MIDI out reset. I need to send a MIDI out reset to the specified MIDI output device. Okay, so what I need to do first is check if handle is even valid somehow. Get num this. Let me read. MIDI out set volume. Sure, I know that it's not on the stream, but it's just like 5 seconds. Yeah, there is no function, so we just like tested. Result is result. First we do MIDI out reset. Then handle LP. Yeah, what I can do is if handle equals null, we just assert. I like it. False, and then return false. Because assert's disabled, so we just need to return it. What? Handle? Yeah, I did. Yeah, anyway. LP MIDI out. LP H MIDI out. LP. Okay. MIDI out reset, and then we check what errors does it have. MSys R invalid handle. Okay, so if result not equals MSys R invalid handle, inval handle, then we just we can do the scene lock, another one of them. Turn false. MIDI output destroy. Like MIDI output destroy, and then we do MIDI. What do we have in? I think about this, like if MIDI out. Okay, so if it's invalid handle, we just return false. When we reset, terminating the system exclusive message without sending an eoxe byte might cause problems for receiving device. The MIDI out function does not send an eoxe byte when it terminates the application responsible for doing this. To turn off all nodes and not off message for each node in each channel. In the sustain is turned off for each channel. Okay, so it's okay. MIDI out, open, and then we do MIDI out close. MIDI out close. Handle to the MIDI output device. Buffers are still in the queue. Probably it should be an error now. Yeah, so that's what we need to do. So we did the midi out reset. How we did? So we just midi out close now, and same stuff. LP h midi out handle, and then we just check if it's valid. So we can't have invalid handle, and we can have still playing. So if we check like this, and then we return true. MC's error, no mem, no mem. I will just copy the message from Windows. The system is unable to load mapper something. I'll just write the midi out close in there so we know where do we find the error. Okay. Hi everybody, hi everybody, no one's there. Okay, so we just close it. I can do even this, and then after this we can do handle. How do we free handle if you don't know with which allocator it was passed? Of course we assume that user will pass same allocator. Why not? I probably can do some stuff like it's outputting structure. Okay, let's just like mem free like that. Yeah, handle. Yeah, so let's add some to-dos for us. I know the idea. Memory allocators should check what they check if the pointer is in the should have function to check if the allocation, if the pointer is inside of this it's inside of this allocator. I think it's okay. Let me read what is arena. Memory arena locate line. Arena locate line. Yeah, so it's like it doesn't, if it's over offset, it will just like change it again, just return null. So we need to check again this. Okay, so to do is to do add check for pointer. Check for pointers. Okay, so it's probably the stuff we need to do. All the stuff. Media output destroy, media output send message. Next one, yeah, this is the next one. So we need to pack message, it's easy. Actually, let's media out long message. What is long message? Let's read about this one. It's system exclusive MIDI message for the specified MIDI device. We don't need this. We just need out message, short message. Where is short message? Where is it? Out. Short message. Okay, so all we need to do is short message. First, yeah, first we do is U32 is message packed message. Yeah, set it to 0 first. And then we do this stuff, like first is message type is should be shift by 4 and up with message channel. They will be in the first byte. So let me just like do this stuff. Then second is message args 0 and message args 1. 16 and then we do 8. I hope I did it right, because I don't remember. You can do inline function out of this. Let's just do it. Where can we do this? Static inline U32 midi convert from message midi pack message. No, message pack. Okay, so what I need to do also, it's rename this one message convert unpack. Yeah, I'll do unpack instead. So pack unpack. Now we have the same stuff, but yeah, so arc is 16 bits away, so we can just like do this stuff. Let's use 32. Okay. Okay. That's all we need, actually. Let's go back. MIDI message pack, and then we do the message. Send message. Okay, let's packet message. Let me just think for a moment. I need to. Yeah, we just send a short message like this, and we have result. Okay, and the result we need to check normally. What? Oh, actually, I don't need a long pointer all this time, so I need to dereference it. So midi out. Probably I shouldn't midi out open. No, it's fine. Let's read any midi out reset. Yeah, midi out reset. Let's check the reset function. What it's just midi. Okay, midi out reset. Let's change to this one. Midi out close is what is it? It's LP? No, it's just. So it's the same stuff here. See, let's build. Oh, I don't need to build this one. Wait. That's too much of errors. Okay, so the first problems we have, it's not even about this thing. Let's where is it? Okay, so the first problems are in these lines. It's like I need to do wait, of course. I need to convert to U8 because I did this thing that no one should do, but I did. I think I need to change it from this stuff. No, I again did this. Cannot convert from midi out to midi out. Okay, I get it. The first error is 179. Is this one? So I can do this. I know how. Idiot. I need to cast it to a pointer first. Let me this time compile through the visible part of the screen. Okay. What do we have? MCs, R, MMCs probably, MCs. Inval. MMCs, the MCs. Let's check again. Let's after this. MCs, there we go. MMCs. No. Let's check this now. Media out device and declared identifier. Yeah, of course, handle. Let's now check what it should even send out. Short message, it can... MC's no error. Yeah, that's only one we check. But it's because we have like... This, like, where is it? Okay, wait. Okay, media... What? Interesting. It says that I can change, like, if it's status, if it's status message, once I can just like change the, anyway. Okay, return value, midi error bad open mode. Not ready. I can do this stuff. It's where is it? Let's do static inline but this time boolean midi message validate midi Yeah, that will be good. So we can check first message. Okay, so types of messages are over 8, 08. If I am not mistaken, let's read the documentation. That's not it. This one. I will open some. 1 second. Here we go. So all of the messages are basically over 1, like 80. If Like this is the one. In status bytes, what is this? Oh, it's just anyway. So we can see like from this, so from there. So type should be if message type is less than 0x8, then we return false. False, because it shouldn't be. Message type less e or over than 0f. And then same stuff with channel. But if channel just more than 0f, we need to fail. Then next one is after channel arc. Arcs can be over than wait, what? 0x7f. They can't be over this. Else return true. Timestamp, I don't care about timestamp, we don't use it. It's just like timestamp for the future. It's like the MIDI standard, it's like for sending a lot of messages, but a different I mean, like they could send multiple messages, but they can give different timestamp, so you can just like play them at different time. We don't need this, so just like this. No, not even like not needed. It's like doesn't matter in our case. So first we do is validate again. MIDI message validate. I can actually pack. No, I don't do this header. First we do is validate. Which if it's not valid, we just do return false, and then we do a log message for us. MIDI output send message. Message sent. Okay, invalid MIDI message. Done. Now we don't have another bug. Like wait, MIDI send, not send, MIDI out short message. That's different. Actually need to convert to the word first and then this stuff. The word. Okay. Let me change it back. Oh no. Anyway, who cares? MIDI byte open mode. Send a message without status byte to a stream handle. Wait. Not ready? This invalid device. So, not ready could be an error. What is stream message? MIDI stream open. What is MIDI stream? Let's read. pointer to variable to contain the stream handle when the function returns. Oh, wait. Mm. Mm. I don't know. Midi stream pause. Why do you use it? Why use midi stream? I see mixer, but it's not also what we need to do. Restart position, restart function, stream stop, stream. It's like out, midi stream out. What is this? Help you. The midi stream out function plays a queue or queues a stream buffer or midi data to a midi out device. I mean, I don't understand because it's like midi stream close. What does it do? How can I send data to midi stream? Midi stream out, is there a midi stream in? The MIDI stream structure contains version information for a long MIDI event or the mapped version. Anyway, we don't need MIDI. We need MIDI out short message, and I don't understand what is invalid. Wait. Not ready. MIDI R not ready. Let's check MIDI. Okay, function. Okay, so probably I just need to return false on this. So like if result actually if result not MC no error, you just go there and switch result. No, wait. How did I do this before? Wait. I did it differently. Why? Or I'm... Okay, anyway. So... fuck. How can I ban you? Block. That's not about it. Ban. Here we go. Dude, like... Why? I don't care about it. Yeah. Okay, let's continue. Did it also close this? Yeah, it's okay. Oh, actually, do we have a chat? Do we have? We do, but it's under me. Let's put it. Or we putting me on the left side. Oh, I actually can. Let me change this to this one, so we don't see what I do. Like this. No, it was better in there. Chat. Oh, I did it already. Okay, so that was the problem. So I just need to move them two up because I have shadow in there. My problem, yeah. Okay, enough. Let's go back. Case. So we have case. That's not it. MIDI. That's too much text. MIDI but open mode. What is this? midi r but open mod. The application sent a message without a status byte to a stream handle. Sent a message without status byte to a stream handle. Why it's stream handle? Is it a bug of in the documentation, or is just the like it's really a stream inside? So you just like can change it to a stream. Okay, anyway. Midi but open mod, just some weird error. The application sent a message without a status byte to a stream handle. Status, it's actually not. Yeah, I will write it as assert false. Who is? Okay, anyway. Okay, we'll just return false in there. And there will be true. Another invalid handle. It's possible. So we just case sys r inval handle. Let's find this valid way. This is invalid handle. Just like copy it and change midi out message sent. MSG, MSH, MSG. Okay. Case midi dr not ready. This one is like it's okay, we just return false. And like sys log error. I don't know. Midi out message. Device is not ready to receive more data. Busy. Valid handle was passed. Okay. That's probably it. No, I don't know. Invalid handle is like final error, but who knows? Okay. Like we can always change it to report messages like only fatal messages. Okay, and mem3 it's undefined because it's not an mem3. That's because it's on memory. Memory. 200, also 230. Oh, we're back. Завершить выполнение. Yes, no. Okay, it failed. But it's all warnings. Difference in the 190. Let's 190. Yeah, that's. The problem is it will break. Ah, no, it's not. It will not. What if you 8 pointer? No. Because I can't. Because you can't. You can't just write. You need to be fancy with this stuff. Yeah, let's just delete all of this. QA next. And then Собака A. dog. Okay, that's first. Then we do scene log C. Yeah, we don't use C string. I'll just like convert it. C string. Like, yeah, I already did it in half of the. That's about it. So it's just like in scene log. Yeah, it's already like this. Like, why? Why doing this? Char pointer format. It's probably also const. I don't know. But we don't really change it. Yeah, const char pointer. We check if it's with sterlen. Okay. And then yeah, this is the stuff. So I just need to copy this name now and change the structure of this char. Let's update it, check where is the all the messages are bugged now. Okay, in this one. Yes, close this stuff. So it's all warnings. Formal parameter different from declaration. Why? Because I did const char. That's first, and then the win. The win writes string, and we don't need this. Build. Okay. That's great. No, this is errors we need. Like we don't care. Different. Oh, that's interesting. 57, line 57. Where's it? Idiot. Log. 57. Damn, data format. Okay, it's because of this. Yeah, that's why. We just need to make it const also. No. Just convert it to char pointer. No one will touch this stuff. Only me. Uh-huh. Okay, so now we have it. Bin v midi test, and it doesn't mean anything right now. So let's just check another thing. Okay. Oh, it's my code style, don't look at it. That's some yapping. Hello everybody, if is even anyone in here? No one. Shut up. Okay, media out message sent. Now we can try to open the stuff, because we don't do this. Media out open, media close. Let's do this. Okay. So I don't need this. I don't need resetting. I don't need this and this. And also I don't need this. I don't need this, probably this. Because already, no, I don't need this. Okay. I don't need everything, I guess. So what we do now is easy. MIDI output create. First we do, and we do an audio handle. No, handle, just handle. And then do this. Just no, I need all of them. Allocate. Then we do handle. So we can do this device. Okay, so first we need to do it query. QWERTY. Somewhere midi out query. So I do this with stylock and I receive the list of devices. And then I just 5 seconds. I mean, bin, which is this one? So output device is 0. Let's open 0. And then we do stylock, because why not? Yes, of course. Why not do this? Okay, so now we do, after we acquired the device, created it, we need to, of course, we need to, at this same time, we just need to destroy it. I'll just do it at the last stage in here. Stylock. Wait. Yeah, I need to do this. Handle. If handle equals null, return sedge. Okay, I just use the as random, so we just like at least something to change. So after we do this, we just send a message 2 times. And also I need static inline. Midi message. That is about like midi message create. U8 is type. U8. Oh, I actually don't need this. I just like can. I can define the thing. Then we do the stuff like dot type equals midi type score what is underscore type underscore channel arg0 arg1. Or did I? Yeah, did I do this? I did. Arg1, arg2. So type is type. Channel is channel. Of course. Nothing particularly interesting. And then we do dot arg1 equals arg1 dot arg2 equals arg2. Do I really need it right there? I don't know. Like, so I can just create new message, handle, midi message. Like, it should be, I also need to type def, probably type def. I think we'll do this instead. It is easy. Where midi is special. Special is 0xf, I guess. Is it? Let's re-watch on this thing. It's a reset. System, yes, system real-time message time and clock. Send 24 times per quarter, note when synchronization is required. Undefine it. Start. Continue at the point the sequence was stopped. What? It's already, okay, it's all, we don't need this. Okay, medium message type. VMidi node on. Channel 1. Node. I think I need to define all of them, so I just do 48 right now. And maximum speed. And send another message, midi node off. And 0 velocity. Okay, let's try. I'll disable some music. No, yes. First, what we need to do is firstly check what the where is it? 57. 57. 57. That's wrong. 57. Yeah, you need a U8 instead of this. So the problems are in can convert from in to MIDI out device. What? 253. 53. MIDI output device. Device. Yeah, device. I need a MIDI out device. I will assert that device length count is bigger than 1. Count is bigger or equal 1. And then we do list get to the MIDI out device handle and device pointer, and then we dereference it. Get devices, also reference, and 0. Index 0, that's why. So at least know that this valid index. Yeah, that's the first error. The second one was MIDI out create different types for formal parameter 253 253. That's a node. That's not an error. Okay, first this doesn't work again because we have errors. Device and declare identifier 254 254. Wait. 253. Devices. That's first. Okay, build. It does it? List get, yeah. UN list get, okay. Okay, we do work now. Let's check what's the reference string. It's okay. So the problem now is we didn't even open it. So let's just run it like this. After this, we already querying the daemon there. So we just like output test, return false, return 0. Let's try. It should work, but it didn't. 371. What? Why it doesn't work? Fine. If 0 and if okay, that's wrong. Ah, of course. Yeah, it's right. Stop. Stop it. Stop. Does it? It's loud? It'll do the changes. No. How do I stop this now? Okay, it's on. Okay, something happened. And it was too fast. Let's get back to the thing we did. Okay, first I want to do is this. First is node. We need to change node. Should it be like this? Let's try. Okay. Why invalid handle was passed to midi out reset? Let's check. Invalid handle was passed to midi reset. Midi out reset. What? It was. Wait. What is the signature? Midi out close? What is midi out close? Just H midi out. Midi out reset. Oh, that's a problem. Equals no mem. It was not our problem. Enough. V. It's not really working as it was before. Wonder why. J current. Ah, because I use current. Not current, I mean. It does work. Let's try again. Bin V. That's nice. But we will sleep at least a second, I guess. So it like finish the audio before it closes it. Bin V MIDI test. That's nice. can do +4 also. Nice, but I need also do this stuff. It's like j over like this equals, is it 1 or is it like this? +3. Depending on this value, it will change the chord progression, I guess. I need to get it slower. It's too fast. It's too fast. It's too fast. Ah. It does work, what I can say. It does work. And even nice. That's really my skills. Musical skills, what can I say? Okay, we did this. Okay, so it's MIDI output test. Now let's do the MIDI in. Of course. So we kinda did the library for this one. Yeah, let's try. Oh, that's why. Because it has too much of them. Oh, that's why. MIDI test. MIDI output test. Okay. So just like waits. But if we do, if you should close yourself now, is there, we need to break. Then it will work like it was before. Let's try. It will be scary stuff. No, it doesn't compile. Wait. What changed? Okay, MIDI. Oh, of course. I'm idiot. Yeah, Control C does work. Nice. A bit slowly, I would say, but what? Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, it works. That's nice. Okay, so now we do the MIDI output test. Let's go back to the origins, I would say. Ah, that's why it didn't work. Now I can do. No, I can't. I can't stop. Oh no, it doesn't work. Okay, I need to reopen it. Port into door. Into door. Probably this one. I don't know. Yeah, here we go. Gamepad is working. Controls. Click. Click, 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 click. Does work. Okay. Let's change it again. Okay, there we go. And then Control C, it should normally exit. Okay. There we go. 1 hour, I guess. It's not a big, but I was like 5 hours doing this before, so I guess it is. Let's do the same stuff, but with MIDI input. Let's do list. I will just copy it. Why not? MIDI in is actually more like needed. Oh, MIDI in. MIDI in caps. List device list MIDI in device. I can actually change it to MIDI device. Let's say MIDI in device. Out device. Let's check it. Because every device has out name. Need like this. Inquiry devices. Say I need to do MIDI in like this. It will be nicer this way. Let's change this one to MIDI out devices query query. Query. What? Let's rename it again. I did it wrong. Again. This is query. Okay. MIDI in devices query. For the device. MIDI in get device caps. In get device caps. In get device caps. In get device caps. Okay, shut up. Let's check where we got it now. So we have but device, invalid param, no driver, no mem. Okay, so basically all of this we do. It's returns us devices count. So let's try. Let's do list devices. MIDI output, okay. Oh, I don't need this. Need to copy this. List devices. Oh, I don't have internet connection. It's okay. Hi everyone. Damn it. No, it does work. Okay, so it's okay. That's okay. Does it? Wait, my stream doesn't work. Does it work? Does it work? Should work. Yeah, it does work. Was it not working? Damn, да вы издеваетесь нафиг. It started working like this. Damn. Are you kidding me? Or I was like too away. No, I just was far away. Okay, it's okay. That's my problem. Okay, I get the query. It's a style lock. And that's it. Now we can do a scene lock right cycle 4 I equals 0 I less than devices count I plus plus the classic stuff. What I can say scene info log info %u and %s I and devices. Let's MIDI device. Let's do like this. MIDI device. Okay. There we go. List list get. I hope it will just like work. MIDI device. I remember how I once tried to understand MIDI by reading MIDI docs to then do the same stuff I do right now, but I didn't get what to do even because I was dumb. Okay, device name. Okay, let's try if this even works. I will return red hair because I want. Okay, we have an error. Cannot convert from char because it's I don't remember. Wait. Right, C string. I need to check if it's even works like this. My string format, okay, it's all goes through there. Nice. It should work. Okay, it shows me the port numbers. What? Port into door, out of door. Why it doesn't show me out of door? What if I... Yeah, of course, MIDI, there is also MIDI in devices. That was a bug. The bug. Okay, we have port out into door, port out of door. Okay, so this should work now if I check it back. Well, it already works. Turn this. So let's recheck port into door. It's 3. No, I can just run it. Should work. Okay. Yeah. It works. But what we wanted to do is to move them together. Like I have input. No, I don't have input. I have output, but I want to send input to output to a different device. So I can like remap them. Right now it does work. Wait, what is... It's okay. Let's... We did inquiry. How it's midi in devices. Okay, this one. Now I need to do is same stuff like... I don't really, because it's all from the callback, so we just need to set up a callback for it. If I set up a callback, then yeah, it's okay. Probably can do something. Is it like... Do I do this directly, but directly or not? Thinking device direct sync lock, right? You should close yourself now. Midi in start, midi in stop. So basically we need to B32 midi... Oh, wait. Midi in start. Result. Invalid handle. Okay, so midi in listen. Begin. Yeah, something. Yeah. Midi handle. What is handle? What is sigma? Midi message. Midi in. Wait, where? Yeah, I need to do this. Midi in. Now midi in handle. In handle. So now I do all of the stuff with midi in instead of midi out. Let's check first one. Oh no, I don't. Okay, I'll do midi in begin, listen, begin. Oh, I know how to do this. Okay. Instead, first I'll do is midi in handle, midi in create, midi device, the in... No, not midi in handle. Oh, I noticed the bug we need to fix. But first I will write it as a midi create function. Midi create allocator. I need allocator. Alloc. So the problem we didn't like check, it's I have all this stuff, but I don't really have the MIDI device by itself. So I can do the device midi. Yeah, not. Let's start from midi out. Midi out device, get device. U32 index, and that's it. No, not it. We need a locator for the name. So what we do is get num of the input. Do we? Probably no. It's okay to do this stuff. So we just midi device caps. Copy this. And then let's check what we need. We need result and caps. And I'll say U64 for the index, I guess. There we will to return C literal midi device. No device, so like, how do I actually do this now? Let's do this like this. Index string from WC string midi out device. Devices get the device. Probably like this, and then we can check if the name is the same. So we did this, and when we create it with a name, and then we check what we try to open it. No, not really. First we do devices get device index alloc, or is not really alloc. We need to create a locator talloc, temporary locator. It's then we do on memory alloc temp get, getting the allocator, and then we check like it's talloc. Our devices get, and we should receive the device that was like test against. Also index, it should be index, not I, index. Device index. Okay, media output create. Test against. Yeah, so like this. Who do I test against? String compare. And the device name if not equals 0, we should fail on this step before opening it. So we just return null, but before it also on memory free. So like handle is received, cleared. Oh, no, I don't need this. Where do we use handle? Are you kidding me? Midi output create handle. It's all at this place. Midi output create, and we just say that device MIDI device had different name. Oh, I actually can slog warning. I don't know how to write warnings, so I just like do this. Had a different has different name instead ID. How do I write this? Like MIDI output create MIDI device has different name device caps. It should work. Wait, I failed again. 120, 126, 126. It's normal. MIDI create. Return nothing right now. Also we need to create a pointer. Return null. Return false. No, it's on reference 120. 142. Index. Another I. Where is another I? Okay. Hi everybody who is there. 166. What is this? 166. Oh, it's not device, yeah? That we don't even have device client. Okay. So now, okay, it opens at least. I need to change it back to the output mode because I need to test it now. The return 0. It should start playing. Like it was before. It's okay. Next, what I need to do is wait. So what I can do is it's not. It's MIDI in. It's MIDI in. I don't need this now. MIDI out. Where it sets. Yeah, it sets the first device because it's available. But what we can do is like to check the possibility of this. Like I can just MIDI not out, MIDI in device query, and it should work. But at the same time, no. Okay. It does say that it's wrong. Input name compared to device caps. I probably need to write it. Warning. Device caps. Input name. Let's write it. And the device caps. And it will be MIDI. First is device that we do. The name of it. And then test against another name. Wait, it's anyway. Okay, so it shows like input name was MIDI nose true compared to device caps Microsoft JS wavetable synth. Okay, so I probably need to do something like this to be better, to feel better for myself. Quotas. Okay. Okay, so it has normal quotes. Now I need to get back to the stuff I was doing. MIDI device out. Yeah, now I need to finish the MIDI in stuff. But I think how no, I already no wait. Oh yes. So like we will have like there's like better to show. MIDI in proc, it has the DW instance that we can set up per user, so we can just like have a list or arena allocator for every one of them. Okay. Where do we start? Listen. So variable listen. Listen begin, listen end. I don't really know if it's good name for this because begin end every time is like for the listen end is for begin and end. I always like see it with multi-threaded code, or it's with something else. I don't remember where I did. I do where I do it. Let's grep rg dir src rg begin. Yeah, I just use it somewhere. That was dumb. Anyway, it's not a problem. Okay, what we need to do? Handle MIDI listen end. What we need to there? We need to create first. Create device, same stuff like there. I need to find that stuff. MIDI out. Create. Wait. Output, of course. Let's change. No. Yes. Okay. Okay. So let's just copy for now. MIDI in changes to MIDI out. Handle. Oh, that's not the function. And the result. Talk. Yeah, talk. Temporary allocator for the on alloc temp get. That's, and also I need test again. Yeah, already. MIDI in devices. Get devices. Yeah, devices get, because it's in the submodule, quote unquote submodule. Devices, because C doesn't have submodules, of course. Index. Telec. What do we have? Yeah, I don't. MIDI in, like nobody. Oh, actually, I already. I need to finish the MIDI output. MIDI out device get. Instead of this stuff, I can just do this device. Yeah, device. Yeah, device. And index and the, what is it? Allocator. Then I can delete this. Probably I can delete this. I don't know. It doesn't return any error code. I need to change that. Maybe it will be better to make it signed. So now we can make device. If device is negative, we just don't do anything. Or at least say that there is like no device like this. Where is it? It's top of the function. Top of the file, not the shut up. Yeah, this one. If result index, no, the index. Can you type? No. Don't even think about this. Less than 0. Continue. Wait. No, it's okay. But I need to do this stuff. Device is this. We don't need caps. No cap. Okay, no memory for device. It should be okay now. MIDI out device query. Let's test if it even works now. Does it? No, it doesn't. Incompatible pointer type. 140. It's different handle. Next is 151. Wait, that's not the file. MIDI in list. Of course, I didn't finish my thinking process. What is it now? It's a bit slow compilation because I have a lot of tests for this library. I just like, instead of creating a new project, I just put it in the tests. That's why it's so a bit slow. MIDI in devices get. Yeah, it's because it doesn't exist, of course. Caps and declared. What? Where is it? I don't need to do this all of this. I just need to add it into the. Oh, actually, no, it's okay. Like this. No, here we go. I need to slow down a bit. Where is it? Where is it? First I will do this and then do this. Do you work now? Mm-hmm. Nice. And then it outputs every stuff, okay. Nope. Close this stuff, okay. So what's the problem now? Wait. What did I change? MIDI out device get? Ah, that's okay. I need to copy this stuff to MIDI in device. MIDI in device query. MIDI in caps. MIDI in. Oh, it's actually wrong. Oh, that. Wait. Maybe it will be better if I do out instead of output. Because it's not output, really. Let's MIDI output. This one goes into output. Next. No, we actually need to finish that one too. Because I don't have Levenstein distance currently. Or I do. I don't remember. I didn't think that. No, it's not Levenstein distance anyway. Or damn, I don't remember. I need to check. Div chief. Is it Levenstein distance? That's not it. Where is it? Find long and distance in string. Is it? So I have. Fine, I will do it later today. If I'll. No, I will do it. Okay. I started to talk quietly. I need to wake up. Wake up, wake up. Wake up. Wake up. MIDI out, MIDI in now. It's now MIDI in. Oh, where is it? Where's another out? MIDI out. No MIDI. It's not really, doesn't matter. Okay, now we have MIDI out. Everyone is out. MIDI devices get, MIDI devices query. Same stuff, just different function name. And that's it. Oh, I didn't do this actually. Type. The type. Oh, index. So -1. And this one. And this one. Wait. I need to make it signed now. Index and then last is like, it doesn't matter. Last one doesn't matter. It's not C++. Okay, it's MIDI device. I need to change that stuff also in this one. Okay. Okay, now I have device query. I need to do the same thing as there. Device. If device index is less than 0, continue. Okay, should work. No one knows if it will, but it should. Midi inget, it's okay. There we don't do this now, so just skip it. Result of we don't use it. Devices. We do use it. Device list. Okay, now this also. Caps device, it's okay. Result, don't use the result. Rewarded them too. Okay. It's to do. Okay, now we have MIDI in device query. Devices query. And it returns the amount of MIDI devices. You can return after this. Okay. Does it work? It doesn't, because MIDI in devices get too few argument calls, of course. How about we just provide the parameters? Wait, parameters is not right word. Or is it's parameters right word, it's for function declaration. I don't remember. Argument is not really the best word, if I'm not mistaken. Wait, I just compiled. Control C, yeah. Okay. It does work. MIDI. It actually didn't watch. If it, of course, oh yes, everything deletes if I recompile. We need to wait until it finishes. Okay, there we go. MIDI knows. Why actually I did delete this game? Is it on my Steam still? Wait, that's not the editor. Damn, close the damn door. Okay, MIDI in create. Okay, I guess we can do this. Check. If MIDI knows even there. MIDI. I deleted it at all. Fine. Anyway. Oops. The backdoor of this. What? Don't say anything. Okay, I actually can do device index. Device index from there to. No. Before I do this, I need to disable MIDI out test. Okay, here we go, everything on the place. So now we do test again, test. Where it was, I just copied it. It's not that hard. Then we do handle, same stuff. Just instead of MIDI out, MIDI in. Then we do midi out. Wait. Yeah, that's the problem. That's not the problem, but anyway. Okay, so midi in open. That's the thing we need to do. Midi in device is handle. Device ID is device index. Is what? I didn't check if device index even real is less than 0. Do we need to warn anything to this? Not valid UI. Actually, it doesn't matter. We can check this in there. Midi in proc. This is what I need to do. So instead of midi in proc, we need to create new proc. I need to delete this. So what we need is like all pull, get, pick stuff, but we need like to create the stuff from this. So we have DW instance. We can make a list out of this, but the problem is list is not multi-threaded. I need to make it multi-threaded. Oi, I forget that I opened this anyway. HMidi in handle. That's handle. I need it. So I already have like midi in proc arena. I can create on midi opening of this procedure. It's like midi in handle procedure. At least like this. And there we do an instance. What will it be? I think it should be something like, I don't know, type dev struct, something like midi, not, like list, but list is not multi-threaded. Or I need to make, how I do it? So one place always writes to it, another is always reading. I can copy it, but I don't know right now. Let's just post now in there. And we have callback function that will become the like handler for every. Oh, I guess, yeah, I can, like, we will send every message to this handler, but it will like have wait, no. Yeah. It will have, I need to check. It will have different, this like DW instance that we will convert to a list, to some threaded list. And then we do all the stuff with it. So like we write to it, we get from it in some blocking / no blocking way, I don't know, to do threaded list. Yeah, we'll do it a bit later probably. I don't know, I didn't have any like intrinsics in my library. Okay, let's change this stuff first. Sin log write C string. This one is sin log error. Okay, I don't need new lines. AG is I guess it's opened. Nice. Okay, so what is the name of the function? I forget. Midi in create. Okay. Why no one watches me? Anyway. Wait. Mm-hmm. I forget about this one. Let's start it from the start. Okay. So. Unfortunately for him, midi create. Wait. What is this? It's not the right place for it. Create. In create. It's not in create. Oh, it is. But why? Ah, yeah, I need to open it. And then we do wait, v32. Midi in destroy. I probably need to water. I need water. Soon. Midi in handle midi handle and allocator. As I talked about it before, we need to change the allocator to be like just no, not the allocator change. Let's change the handling function because it and add the functionality to check if it's even in allocator range, because it right now it doesn't, and you can pass any allocator, it just will break. Not really good thing. Yeah, there's a to do already. Anyways, return true. Okay, return true. Where is it? Do I reset it? Is there midi in reset? Midi in get dev caps close message open reset. Yeah, there is a reset. We'll do reset also. Midi in reset. Midi in pointer dereferencing the pointer, and midi in close, same stuff. But now we need to check all the errors in process. So the first reset. Invalid handle, it's easy. If result is if it's one of this stuff, we just return false. Midi, wait, sys r, what is it, inval handle, already, handle, this is better. Return false, and also somewhere it was like I had already, well, handle next one, this one. I'm copying this. To midi in reset. Okay. Midi in is ready. Like midi reset, midi close. What is it? Still playing. It can be this, can't be this one. It's only no mem. msysr, no mem. Destroy, no memory. Wait, how it was? Can get this one also. No memory, or yeah, I'll just copy this. Wait, that's not what I need to do. Paste, because it's a Vim. No one knows how to set up the input correctly. Okay, so it's only one error. Result null. And there we just assert if it's sys r, no error, because it should be the same stuff in here. Okay, so midi destroy. It should probably work. I don't know why do I need midi in reset in there, but it will stop the midi buffer. It's in still playing, shouldn't even be there. That's not mmsysr invalid. Okay, midi destroys. Now I need to midi. Oh, where is it? Start. Midi in start. Midi in. Handle to input device. Invalid handle, same stuff. Like there. Nothing crazy. Turn true. Do I really need to do it like this? I don't know. Oh, instead of this, I will probably do. If it is not this, I will do assert false and then return false, because it could possibly be that assert will become not assert. Wait. Do we need it to crash or no in release? So if it crashes in release, then it will get a certain, I don't know. Anyway, it will be this way right now. Check it later. I will check it later. Okay. Midi in. What is it? Midi in start. start the system and stop it. Probably the same stuff for stop. Is it? Yes, the same stuff. I just need to rename it a bit. Or it's midi listen. How it will be better? Just like close? No. Midi in start, midi in stop. I guess. This one. Valid. That's probably what we need. That's it. So we don't need this because we close. We do this. We do this. And we do this. Just device ID is 3. And we, because we, wait, no, it's okay. I just need to create new, like, what is it? Midi out test. Oh, it's also a bug. It will not compile it. Where is this handler? I need to look this arena in here. Okay. Set console. It's not about this. MIDI in device query. And then we do third device. We can probably copy this stuff, but it really doesn't work like this. Handle. That will be MIDI in handle. MIDI, I'll just like handle. Assert, no, if handle. Now return, and I'll create new function void MIDI in test. Right, okay, just to copy all the stuff from there. I don't need device ID. I probably need this. Need this. Handle. List of devices. Okay, I got away from mic. That's not good. Okay, devices handle create. That's all this stuff. Goes in there. What we do, what we don't. I mean, we need a locator. Okay, and then we call windy in test. Okay, so first we create MIDI in instead of MIDI out. Then we do third one. Okay. MIDI what? MIDI what? MIDI out test is calling MIDI out message sent, but I need MIDI in listen. Begin. Anyway, it should not break. Listen begin, listen end. Then we do the closing of the device. Wait, I didn't do this? No, I did. Destroy. Just pressing handle. And taillock. Oh, I actually don't need to free it. Yeah, I don't need, but I will. And free doesn't really do anything in this locator, so it's okay. But what's the problems? Wait. Why it changes? Nice. Wait. LP recommend differs from level from MIDI handle. Of course. I don't need to. 2018? 18. I don't need to do a double one. That's first bug. MIDI in alloc device is not found. 5, 6, 7, 8. No, not 7. That's device is missing. List devices. MIDI in handle. MIDI device. Okay, it should work. At least I hope it will. Because I didn't change actually. Yeah, it does work. Nice. It actually breaks because I don't clear the temporary locator and I use it a lot in the console, in this output console. Wait, I didn't change this one. Yeah, so like it breaks, but no one had a problem before, so it's okay. Okay, so I need to change it to syn log out, log right C string, syn log right, like error. Same stuff I did, but I do it again because I'm dumb. And this is MIDI in create, and then we do this one. Okay. Okay, we're back. Now I can do the stuff I wanted, but it will be a bit dumb right now because well, how do I say it? So we create this, but also we will create the MIDI out device. I need to stop probably music this. Okay, because we will do this. So we just open the stuff. Void setup MIDI out. I'll do it there. Like this. And do this also. No, I don't need this. So we have the handle. It will be open for everyone. Globals, of course, anyway. If handle is null, nothing will happen there. Wait, what do I miss now? This. I don't need anything. MIDI out destroy, that's what all we need. This. Oh, don't need the locator. So this is MIDI unsetup. It's a test code unsetup. midi out clear. Clean, maybe clean. Midi out init and the init. Eating. Okay, so we set up this. Oh no. Stop it right here. Midi out init. Midi out the init. Easy. Now we do what? Just like dumb way, we just send the signals there. Not off signal. Okay. So we unpack message, but we don't need to unpack it because wait. DW param for it's okay. I need only DW param, so I just like midi out send, midi out message send. Do I need to say message? Yeah, I need. No, I don't. It's not like part of the message submodule, even that it uses it. If handle, then we do this. Else, we log it. So what we say, midi message. I already have the macro for this. Oh, what's happening? Midi out send handle. Oh, actually, out handle. Midi in test and there is. And it will also like those, well, it won't work. No, actually, the question I have is, instead of creating this midi log arena, I'll just have the handle right in there. Because why not? And then we just call, we need to put it. Where is it? Oh, it's on top of everything. I'll put it on the bottom of this function, right under there. Okay. So midi out send the midi message, and we'll just like message type, message. I don't need the handle. No, wait. It should just work now. Yeah, we'll do midi out init, midi out day init, and then we do handle like this. It's okay, we copy it. Okay. Midi out init it, and it returns this one. So probably it will break, but anyway, it will not break right now, and that's what matters. It's the worst before disaster. Wait, they need handle. Okay. Message type. Actually, can just pass the type message to there. No one cares. I don't need this, all this stuff. I just send this to. So I think it will work. It should work. I need to make it static. Right. I missed something. Yeah, no, I didn't. What's happening in my internet? Okay, we have two errors. Midi in handle undeclared identifier. It's because on 5, 6, 7, approximately. I just need to do this stuff. Is something happened with audio? No, it's okay. Okay, midi in proc. Just make adding one of them. That should fix this bug, but we have another one. Midi out the need for too few arguments for call. 5, 6, 9. Probably because I don't need this. Okay. Yeah, we're working. Yeah. There is actually, if on gamepad right now, in my gamepad, ting, enable it back. Okay, let's now try to map it to the let's see. We have already everything to do, so we just need the query. Midi in query what? Midi out. Device query. Talk. Oh, I don't have it. I can just alloc memo talk temp get. And then we do list devices. List devices. That's C899, so I can, but I just don't like this way. Def count I++, okay. Just faster this way. Ay. Scene right, what we have seen. Log info. You have def get unget list list get def defs and not def anyway. I list get def and there we do midi device device pointer. Wait, it's not everything. I don't think so. Anyway, let's try. Error. Okay. Does my tracking work still? Oh, it doesn't. Of course. 1 second. I need to change this stuff. I'll do the critty. Oh, here we go. Nice, nice. I'm back. Second, I need to say something. Okay. That rigging doesn't work if it's with this setup. But still, I need to finish it. Main scene lock right list get. Okay, I didn't see what can convert from new device. Of course. I need to do this stuff for this, like name. I need the name. The cow. Shut up. Left of name must be pointer. Of course, it must be. Okay, we need a port into DAO. Wait, port into. Yeah. I just need to change this to fourth one. Midi in test. From 0 to 4, and this one it should be midi out test. Midi out init. Okay, midi out. Wait, on which port into DAO? Yeah, it should be like this. Let's check if it works. Yeah, I'll probably go turn off the lighting because I need to. Okay, does it work? I should work because yes, it doesn't work because port into DAO. I need out of DAO. Wait, failed assert. Yeah, that's because we probably sent into that somewhere, or it doesn't work like this. I need to write the names of which ones we did. Okay, now we know what we do. Okay. Wait, what did I do? Def and declare, of course, that's because devices. When is def is in different place. Port out of def. Okay, that's a problem. It should be less. Oh, I need actually to do this stuff. C string There we do. This is out. And somewhere lower should be in. So I can check at least which one is it. Okay. Will it work? Will port out of DAV. Info input for output. Where is the output? This is input. I need output on device less on one device. So now we have port into DAW to DAW. Wait, this is the same one. Ah, of course. I changed it there but didn't. Okay. Okay, it does work. Now we have posting of the messages into DAW, and now we can do is open the Ableton. It actually will break because Ableton has its own output, so it doesn't really work. I need to disable one. Now will, and this is like the end of the stream probably. Waiting because Ableton is slow. Yeah, here we go. I need to change MIDI settings. I need to disable port out because it will probably break. And now we have, yeah, I could do it I could do it before, but now it goes through my app program. We don't do Control Keys, but alright. I think on this place I'll end the stream, as I did everything I wanted. Because yeah, that's it. So oh, no avatar. I can. So bye bye. I need to disable this stuff. Oh, I did it yesterday. No, scary stuff. Like, anyway, like, just something to close this season. Oh, actually, yeah, I could check if someone even streams right now. It's like, don't care, like, if I have 3 subscribers who followers. No. I know who streams. That's... No, I don't want to rate anyone. Thanks for the stream. Everyone, bye bye. Bye bye.